One of the reasons why I like Cyprus is its beaches. This is the beach of Cyprus where you can find activities to do such as beach ball, jet skiing and beach volleyball. And you can relax under the sunshine.
Ghassan, this is a great photo. Did you take it?
It looks wonderful, Ghassan. Is it in Kyrenia?
Another reason why I like Cyprus is Tango to Buddha. It is in Kyrenia, open until midnight. It's a restaurant where you can find delicious food. At midnight, it becomes a bar. You can enjoy your time with your friends by dancing and watching shows.
So Ghassan, do you recommend that I go and visit Tango to Buddha? Because, I live very close to it, but I haven't been there yet. Can you believe it?
I also like my university in Cyprus. There are several universities in North Cyprus, such as Near East University, Eastern Mediterranean University, and Girne American University. Kyrenia Castle is also nice in Cyprus. It was established in the Middle Ages by many different people, such as Byzantines.
What's the name of this beautiful place, Ghassan?
I like the peace in Cyprus, because traffic is not a problem here. You can easily travel wherever you want. Cyprus is in the Eastern Mediterranean Sea, and it's an island. Nicosia is the capital city. It has a Mediterranean climate. I also like Tudor's pub in Cyprus, and it is in Famagosta. At weekends you can listen to live music in Turkish and sometimes in English. On special days such as Christmas and Valentine's Day, special parties exist there that you can enjoy your time.
Is this a new place? I've never seen it.
It's very close to Eastern Mediterranean University and very popular. I like it.
Cyprus is also nice because there are some projects which help to protect turtles in Kyrenia and Famagusta. They used to dig some pits in the sand and put the turtles' eggs inside it to save their lives.
They are really cute. I will join the project.
Sheftali kebab is the traditional food which is very delicious. You can find it in all the restaurants' menus, and I love it.
Sheftali kebab is delicious, isn't it, Bassam? But I'm so glad that there are a lot of things that you like about Cyprus. Keep enjoying them.